Trust me, folks, this is no Giddy Lee bass rig. Just doing a little sound clip here, the 73 P bass I got, the Candy Apple Red. Like I said, this was a played guitar, but it's very clean, you know, but you can just feel the neck is so smooth, it's like glass. I don't have a bass amp here, so as you see Eddie's rig today, we got a Pro Reverb going through an Ampeg bass cabinet. I'm using the Pro Reverb for power. Hey, it's better than nothing. The bass is just sweet. I can't play bass, but you're just hearing a little something here.